Hi guys, welcome to this video with cool machinery behind the food industry. Stay tuned and let's get started. The first mechanical candy crimper was invented by Dr. Lasky in 1886 to make ribbon candy. This robotic arm can definitely help eliminate the risk of burns from deep frying french fries that human workers might face. Allowing the coffee beans to remain hot for an extended period will diminish its flavors. Stirring them in a giant metal vat is crucial to rapidly cool the beans back to room temperature. In just 5 seconds, this machine efficiently brushes 28 pastries with egg whites. Croissants are the most popular breakfast pastry in France. 3 out of 4 French people eat croissants. Watch as the chocolate batter is cooked to perfection by the automatic pancake maker. Thanks to its special layering mechanism, a layer of cream can be seamlessly dispensed onto the pancake. The stacking process is repeated until the desired number of layers is achieved. The snow ice flakes machine rapidly freezes a thin layer of liquid on a freezing spinning drum at -35°C, causing it to instantly solidify into ice flakes in a matter of seconds. With the help of food printers, cakes, cookies, macarons, and more can now be beautifully decorated with edible ink in record time. In a single smooth motion, this large razor expertly shaves off the wax cap from the honeycomb. This multi-head weigher is used to optimize the flow of pasta, leading to shorter dosing times. The machine can reach an operating speed of 90 bags per minute with double square bottom and 120 bags per minute with peel bags. Thanks to the speed of this packaging line, the factory is able to meet the high demand for pasta products worldwide. The Chinese twist dough is twisted in a similar way as the marshmallow twist. The automatic bakery tray feeder loads trays onto the conveyor belt, while the robotic arm seamlessly transfers the trays to the designated rack. From wrapping the dough to cutting, forming, brushing with egg whites, topping with sesame seeds, and loading onto the tray, every step of the process is seamless. Ice cream automation has greatly improved production efficiency. A small grape making machine like this one by ROBOLABS is also automated for ease of use. With this machine, knife-cut noodles can now be produced at lightning speed. Birchwood, known for its smooth texture, durability, and neutral taste, is the preferred material for making ice cream sticks. Burger patties are spun and swiftly lined up onto the track. They are then scanned to determine their position before automated arms pick them up and place them onto individual paper trays. The shaver is equipped with a spring mechanism that regulates how deep the shaver will cut or shave. A mixture of sugar, corn syrup, flavorings, and colors is heated to create the candy base. The candy puller machine is used to stretch and aerate the candy base, incorporating different flavors and creating a smoother texture. The heated candy roller is where the twisted shape of the candy is created. At the beginning, the encrusting shutter unit will cut the stuffed dough into pieces. The mixture is poured into molds, which are then rapidly frozen to turn the mixture into solid, forming ice lollies and making it easy to remove them from the molds. The clipping mechanism securely holds the frozen fish in place during the cutting process. The bandsaw makes precise and uniform slices through the frozen fish. This automated process greatly speeds up the portioning of frozen fish. The chocolate coating solidifies almost instantly due to the extreme temperature difference between the warm chocolate bath and the cold ice cream bars. This phenomenon is known as flash freezing. This fruit peeling machine has the flexibility to process 7 green papayas of various sizes all at once. HANDTMANN is best known for its sausage processing machinery. The company's equipment is also used in food processing applications such as bakery, dairy, and pet food. Automated kebab production lines can produce thousands of kebabs per hour, making it possible to meet high-demand scenarios such as large events or supplying restaurant chains. Before eggs are placed into paper trays, they often go through a grading and sorting process based on factors like size, weight, and quality. The combination of strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate is commonly known as Neapolitan ice cream. A pasta making machine can produce pasta in different shapes using various dyes. Here, the baby shell pasta produced is immaculate. This machine is simple but creative in flattening the dough. A blooming onion is a mouth-watering dish made from a whole onion, deep fried to crispy perfection and often served with a savory dipping sauce. Cotton candy is made by heating and liquefying sugar of different colors and then spinning it out through tiny holes from the spinning head at the center. The sugar then solidifies in mid-air. Slicing fish into thin slices has never been easier and faster. Die-cut radish matchsticks are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes from salads to stir-fries and even pickles. If you have enjoyed the video, please let us know in the comment or give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!